So we're a very family orientated company. I've got 3 sons. They all work in the business. I suppose it all goes back to our mission. Our mission is to enable and enrich our people, our customers, and for the greater good. So at Zanda, we stand out because of our quality, which you can't get by without, but we've studied the market and we've found where the needs are, and we've filled those needs with niche products that architects and the customer are looking for.
In the door hardware industry, our clients face a wide range of challenges. A lot of it comes back to the finishes, a selection of compliant hardware that complies with the Australian standards.
So often builders may be able to get a door handle in a particular finish, and then up above it, it's a silver or a black closer. Yeah, it just doesn't look good. Whereas we give them that complete consistency to have the same finish on every item of hardware. And then obviously having the stock here on our shelves in Australia is a real advantage.
Clients that have worked with Zanda and that come to Zanda get a certified Australian product. We understand the market. Our product's being tested through multiple areas and regions. Clients also get the option of an architectural door hardware package.
Our customers find it easy to deal with us and will quickly come on board when they see the advantages. That is our service, product range we offer.
We lead the market when it comes to trending finishes. Brushed nickel, which we had over 10 years ago, is still our #1 finish.
If you're looking for a door hardware package, whether it be a commercial, multi-residential or residential project, we'll cover both the compliance as well as give you a range of options in different finishes as well as architectural styles to elevate your project with a package that's locally stocked for on-time delivery.
If you're looking to deal with Zanda, very easy to reach out. The easiest way is to just ring us. All of our staff are incredibly competent and efficient, knowledgeable. You'll be blown away by the response you get.